Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Korean fried chicken. I'm going to be making their most popular flavor, which is the sweet chili garlic sauce flavor. You will need about 2 pounds of chicken wings, tempura batter mix, you can use any brand, soy sauce, ketchup, chili garlic sauce. If you can't find this, you can use any chili sauce, milk, pepper, salt for fried chicken. If you can't find this, you can just use salt and pepper, about 3 cloves of garlic, honey, and sugar. First, make sure that your chicken is washed and dried, and then add salt and pepper salt. I recommend using gloves and then using your hands to combine. Then I'm going to add a little bit more pepper salt until everything is coated. If your chicken is not already in a big bowl, go ahead and transfer it, and then you're going to add in a bag of tempura batter mix and 1 cup of milk. Mix well and then set aside. You're going to want to let it sit for about 30 minutes. When you're almost ready to fry, make sure that you get your pot of oil ready. You can also get your sauce ready. So in a bowl, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of the chili garlic sauce, and 1 tablespoon of the regular chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I forgot to mention you're going to need sesame oil. Add 2 tablespoons and then crush your garlic. Go ahead and mix to combine. In a small plastic bag, add in the other tempura batter mix and then add in a couple chicken wings a little bit at a time. Go ahead and coat the chicken wings with the tempura mix by shaking the bag. Make sure that your pot of oil is hot enough, and then you're going to start frying your chicken wings. Cook until the chicken is a golden brown color like this, and then remove from the oil. And once you have cooked all of your chicken, you're going to get a small pan and then add in your sauce mixture and then warm it up until everything is dissolved nicely. I recommend you using a big bowl or a container to put your chicken in. This is the biggest I had, so I'm just going to use this. And then I'm going to add the sauce little by little until all the chicken is coated. And that's it. You can go ahead and plate and serve. Enjoy!